how would you say that we can ensure the comfort and safety of our guests at the post-lockdown wedding? What would you suggest?
Yeah. I mean, I think there's so many things that can be done. Every couple knows their family and their friends and their guest list well enough to know what might be needed in their specific situations. I think what we've seen a lot of this year and kind of moving into this coming year is the seating arrangements, maybe, seating people by household or by groups of people that they are seen around regularly. I have many clients who are requesting that their guests are be vaccinated for the wedding, and if they're not able to do so, that they let them know so that they can kind of organize seating in that way, just to make sure that it's a comfortable and safe environment for everyone. We're not seeing, here in the States, once you're vaccinated, you no longer need to wear a mask. And so we're not seeing as many masks at weddings, which it's exciting for a lot of our couples, to be able to see all their guests' smiling faces. So we're not seeing that quite as much as we did last year. But I think seating chart is a major factor in making sure that everyone feels comfortable and making sure that you've correctly spaced people out and that everything doesn't feel crammed. And then with that, I think the whole wedding industry is seeing a shift towards smaller weddings in general. A lot of people had 200, 300 person weddings planned last year, and they either had to cancel or postpone or downsize. And so I think we're seeing a lot of smaller guest counts, which is, it's a safer environment just naturally with fewer people. So I think that's great as well. Are you guys doing anything? Here. Yeah.
Yes, of course. So here in France as well, one of these steps that I just mentioned. So since everything is outdoor, even for an outdoor wedding, we'll be able to invite only 35% of the capacity of the outdoor space. Still, indoors are completely not allowed. From June 9th, this limit will be up to 65% outdoors and 50% indoors, where we'll be able to host indoor receptions. Capacity is important. 6 guests per table. This is an important number as well. So those are the things we're going to have to focus. As you said, seating charts. There will be a lot of work and focus, I guess, by our future couple will be required.